Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will start with working with revenue forecasting. As I have told you in some another video also that when you want to forecast any item you have to go through 4 steps. First step is to collect historical data. Second step is to do the historical analysis. Third step is to write the assumptions for future, and then you have to forecast the item in the fourth step. So now what we need to forecast my sales, we have to find the segment data of the company. For that what we will do, we will go to the quarter file of this company. So click on this. Let me open the quarter file of March 2021. This is the balance sheet, and below the balance sheet we have the income statement. What I will do, I will copy this total sales and find this particular data in the entire quarter file. If any table is available which calculates this number, then the table will be found. Let me just show you. This is income statement only. Now here we have the 3584 total sales, which is actually coming from these 4 segments. So what I will need, let me just copy this, come to Excel. If you want to do this calculation somewhere in another sheet, you can do that, or you can do it in this sheet also below the actual income statement. So if you want to do it in some another sheet, you can do that, or if you want to do it here, you can do here also. Come here, simply copy this data, come back here and paste it. This is for March 2021 and this previous data is for March 2028. Copy this, come here and paste this also. Now open the June file, do the same thing for this also. Find your balance sheet, this is your balance sheet. Below this we have the income statement. So what we need June data, that is this. Copy this. This is this total sales is the sales of second quarter only. This is the sales of 2 quarters, first and second quarter. So I need to find the details for this. Control C, select, Control V, Control F, Control V to paste. Yes, this is the second quarter's data. Simply use Alt and mouse to copy only the column that you want to copy. Come to Excel and paste in the second column, that is and paste in the second quarter. Now we need this data also. Select this, copy this, come back here and paste it here. Now go to the September quarter file. This is the file, open it. If you want to check it manually, you can do that, but that will take time for you to find the particular table where you have the quarterly bifurcation of sales. Yes, I think this is the quarter file which we have just found. Now select this, copy, come back to Excel and paste the data here. Come back again, select this, copy this and paste it here. Now this is our historical data, so and it has been punched manually. So we are going to put it with a light color. We will do the same thing for this quarter also. Now what we will do, we will copy the historical data for 2017, 2018 and 2019. So now what I will do, I'll go to the data for 2020 and 2021 has already been copied in Excel. So I'll go to 2019 now. Open the markz file first. You can try to find the data with just net sales keyword also. Yes, we have the data here. So simply copy this, come back to Excel. This is March 2019, so paste it here. This is March 2018, copy this and paste here. Open the June quarter, that is this. Now we have to actually find the bifurcation of net sales somewhere in this Excel file, because the PDF was not available on the website of the company. So what we can do, we can try to do it this way. This is June. Simply copy this data, Control F, go to options. Instead of sheet, make it workbook. And now Control F and find the value. So this value is not found with this shortcut. So let me try to remove this. Now let me try to find. Now we are in a problem, and the problem is that bifurcation or segment details of net sales are not given in this Excel file. So what we will do, we will now go to the third quarter. Okay, so open this third quarter file, that is September. Let me tell you how we can do that. Find net sales here. So this is net sales. This is the third quarter file only, and this is total of first, second and third quarter. Okay, I'll let you know what I'm trying to tell you. So copy this, find the file, paste it here and search. So what we have here, this is the data for only third quarter. Copy this, come here in Excel and paste in the third quarter only. Just stay connected, you will understand what I'm talking about. Copy this 2018, just a second. Now what we have here, we also have the total of the 3 quarters. So we can now use this particular data and find our second quarter's data. I hope you are getting my point. what I can do, I can use this and find my second quarter. So equal to, just give me a second, 6496 minus this and minus this. So this is my second quarter data. Just give me a second. Control Z. I have to do the calculation here. 6496 minus first quarter minus third quarter. So this becomes my second quarter. 1566 minus first quarter minus third quarter. So this is my second quarter. 707 minus first quarter minus third quarter. Now equal to 1586 minus first quarter minus third quarter. So this becomes my second quarter. Now I'll do the same thing with 2018 also. 6654 minus first quarter minus third quarter equal to 1610 minus first quarter minus third quarter equal to 710 minus first quarter minus third quarter equal to 1265 minus first quarter minus third quarter. Why we had to do it this way? Because the second quarter file PDF is not available, so we had to download the quarter Excel file, and Excel file is not giving us full details of its segments. I hope you are getting my point. So we now have the quarterly details of year 2018, year 2019, year 2020 and year 2021. What we don't have here is, we don't have the quarterly data of 2019.